head into the App Store. Search for ChatGPT. Make sure you see the line, the official app by OpenAI. This app is free to use and does not require an API key. If you've previously downloaded the app, you don't need to authorize the install using your Apple ID password, Touch ID, or Face ID. If you're downloading the app for the first time, you will need to verify your install using the 3 methods I previously mentioned. The method you need to use will depend on the device that you have. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open. First, you need to choose whether you want to continue with Apple, continue with Google, or sign up with your own email. If you already have an account through OpenAI, you can log in. Make your choice and tap on it. This official app is free, syncs your history across devices, and brings you the latest model improvements from OpenAI. ChatGPT can be inaccurate. ChatGPT may provide inaccurate information about people, places, and facts, meaning that the information could be wrong. Don't share sensitive info. Chats may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our systems. That's why I used my Google account to log in. My password is protected. You can control your chat history. Decide whether new chats on this device will appear in your history and be used to improve our systems. Tap on Continue and you'll be taken into the app. Here you can chat back and forth with ChatGPT. There are 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. This will give you access to a menu. The options will change depending upon what's on screen or what you've selected. To open up a previous conversation, tap on it. The entire conversation will be loaded. I told it that I'm using an iPhone. Just type your query into the field and wait for a response. It actually says, based on your previous message, you mentioned that you're using an iPhone. I can actually tell it my name. Notice I typed my name appears above the keyboard. If I want to, I can just select it. Once again, tap the send icon to submit the query. Now, if I say, do you know my name? It knows my name and can respond back to me. There are a couple of different ways to input information into ChatGPT. Use the dictation capability built into your iPhone or even your iPad. To do that, tap on the microphone in the right-hand corner and speak exactly what you want to say. The text will then be captured and put into the message field. There are all the months of the year. The second way to talk to ChatGPT is to use the dictation capability provided inside the app. To do that, tap the icon inside the message field and give the app permission to access your microphone. You'll need to do this for this to work. Once you tap on OK, you can start speaking. When you're done speaking, tap the blue circle one more time, and your speech will be converted into text and put inside the message field. Can you list the months of the year in alphabetical order? And show me the months that have more than 30 days. Once your speech appears as text, tap the send icon. Notice that April and September are listed in this list, but I asked for the months that have more than 30 days. I can take my query. I can long press on it until the context menu appears. Tap on Copy and paste this query back into the field. You'll notice a problem here. That is that I've asked for the months with more than 30 days, but April, September, and November are included. I asked for all of the months in a year that have more than 30 days. So why are there at least 3 months included on this list if they have 30 days? Notice that based on my last query, it corrected its mistake. List all the months of the year that have more than 30 days. Exclude February, as it has 28 or 29 days, and all the other months that have exactly 30 days. Now I've got the right information. If I wanted to put it in a table, I could. Please put the information in a table to make it easy to read. Did you know that you can actually ask ChatGPT for help? I'm using 24-hour time. I need to know when the morning begins, when the afternoon begins, and when the evening begins. Please put the information in a table so that it's easy to read. Notice the last part of the response, which says, I hope this table provides the information you need. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. This means you can continue the conversation. Thank you. Since I'm using the Shortcuts app, I'll need to know how to check the first two characters of a string of text. This is a formatted date. The time will be in 24-hour time, and the first two characters will represent what time of day it is. Tap the send icon to submit your query, and wait for the response. Notice here that it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this in a shortcut. ChatGPT can give you different responses based on the way that you ask questions. If you give ChatGPT more information, it can adjust the responses. Since 24-hour time starts with a 0, 1, or 2, how can I check that the first character in a string of text is a 0, 1, or 2? The second character should be a digit from 0 to 9. Please give me an example of how to do that properly. Can I use a range of numbers instead of \d? Here's the step-by-step instructions that are a bit easier to understand. Since 24-hour time begins with a 0, 1, or 2, there are 3 numbers that the first digit must be. Since the second number can be any digit from 0 to 9, you can take this line of text listed in step number 3 and paste it directly into the Shortcuts app and have the shortcut work the way that you want it to. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.